Hello, say your email, question in email. I guess you're in section 4.2. Looks like this is question number 4. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ordered pairs. I want you to first of all draw a scattered uh, diagram. So that's just plotting these points, 3, 7. So you count over 3 and up 7. Now it looks like the scale might be counting by 3s here, might be counting by 1s here. If I just open Stack Crunch, it can do a lot of work for us. So you can go to Graph, Scatter Plot, choose the X and Y value and say Compute, and it plots it for us. Which one does that look like it matches with? We have 3, 7, and we have another one. Looks like they're fairly close to a straight line. Kind of looks like B, doesn't it? Yeah, closely resembles B there. I'm not sure which one of these you have questions about. Was it drawing a scatter diagram? Is it just part B? So I guess they're counting by, it's 1, 2, 3. This would be 3, 6, and a little bit beyond this mark would be 7. And 4, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 9, 10 be just a little bit above it, for plotting the points by hand or using the Stack Crunch. This part B would go back to college algebra. You have to use a couple formulas from college algebra here. Formula in college algebra is that slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So they want you to find the equational line going through these 2 points. Solve it for y. So let's see, the y coordinates are what, 22 and 7. So it'll be 22 minus 7. The x coordinates are 8 and 3. 8 minus 3. So the slope of a line going through those points they give you is what, 15 over 5 or 3. So that, first of all, you have to find the slope, which, the slope goes there. Now we don't have to find the y-intercept here. So we got another formula, y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. And we just figured out the slope for this problem. The slope for this problem is what, 3? Then we got y minus, and you can use either ordered pair here. I'll just use the smaller ordered pair, the 3, 7. 7 would go in for y, and then 3 would go in sub x sub 1 here. So I'd use that ordered pair. So substitute in that ordered pair in the slope, and then just solve this for y. So it would be y minus 7 equals, distribute the 3 here, it'd be 3x minus 9. Then we have to add, what, 7 to both sides? If I add 7 to both sides, that's going to give me, what, a negative 2. So this value is going to be minus 2. Okay, so it looks like it'd be y equals 3x plus a negative 2 there. Again, I don't know where you're having trouble on this. I'm going to exit out of this writing tool. Just want to show the answer. Let's see. So yeah, we chose the right scatter plot. I just found the equation. Uh, Here they graph the line in the scatter. Choose. Also, they want you to draw this line here. So the line was going through 3, 7, and 822. So the line's going through the beginning and ending points. So, the beginning point's here and the ending point's here. It goes through the first and the last point. Down here, once you find the least squared regression line, you could do it by hand, but you're strongly encouraged to use technology. And so, let's see, I've already have the data here. And so if we use technology to get it, you just go graph stats. We were going to go down to regression, simple, linear. And videos how to do this are available in the homework, of course. And we just compute. And right here it gives us the least squares regression line. Now it doesn't have it in the right order. It's 2.953x here, which you'll find right here. Then it has the y-intercept there. If you click this arrow here, it shows you graphed, which it must be this one here. So that much match. Let's say you got these parts. I guess this part's already done for us. If we go back to here, they do get right here gives you this error, which is what they have here, the 3.163. They rounded it. Now this 4, you'd have to go back and calculate it back based on part B and the original order pairs. You have to go back and calculate that. I guess they're just saying this part G, it minimizes the sum of the squares residual, so it's considered a little bit better estimate of the data. Again, I'm not sure exactly what parts you have questions about, but I think I've worked most of it. Hope this helps.